Hi, thanks for inviting me over. Welcome to Crochet Podcast, episode 104. Did I just shout 4? I didn't mean to shout 4. Before we get started, I want to congratulate the winner from episode 103. So congratulations to Tina Smith. Congratulations, Tina. Send me an email and I will email you the latest pattern. And if you want your chance to win a free pattern, I'll tell you all how to do it at the end of the video. So what you might be seeing in the Secret Yarnery today, this big gorgeous blanket over there, that is a Secret Stitches Cal 2021. There is a playlist link to that in the description box, also in the comments under this video. That one is a giant crochet ball. That tutorial is also on my channel, written pattern on my website. And same with this gorgeous little houseplant over here. That is the string of pearls and I love it. So you can follow that tutorial and make your own or also grab the pattern. Oh, and this gorgeous beauty here, it's always behind me. I have to move it. That gorgeous beauty, hold on, let me move it. Let's see if I sit in my perch. Okay, now you can see it. That is the gorgeous gingham crochet blanket. So it's a really easy plaid gingham pattern and tutorial and you will love it. So definitely check that one out. It is so fun to do. 2 strands of yarn, huge hook, done in no time. Don't start me on it, it's gorgeous, right Kim? Oh, what am I wearing? Am I wearing something fabulous? I think so. Should I tell you all about it or show you? I'm feeling a show coming on. Hold on. Do you love it? So this is my new fabulous team wrap. Go, go, gadget team, whatever your team is. So you pick your 2 main colors plus your neutral. So I picked red and blue with a little bit of light gray for my neutral shade or my 3rd color for my team blanket. And this team blanket, don't start me, so fabulous. So one side has more of your neutral and one side has more of your colors. Isn't that great? No ends to sew in. Ever. Super, you can make your tassels as long as you want. It is perfect for wearing or sharing. So you can wear it like I was wearing it, like a little wrap. And it's great for like going tailgating or going to your favorite game because you can just kind of like throw it over your shoulders like this. Or when you're at a game, you can take it off. Nicer than I just did. You can take it off and it is big enough to put over your lap. For you and a few people. You can cover both your neighbors with this bad boy. You'll be like the nice neighbor. Like, oh, isn't she so nice? She shared her blanket. So small enough for wearing, big enough for sharing. Who doesn't love that? Now, are you ready for the perk? Are you ready for the bonus round? Like what's just like gonna, get ready. I'm just telling you to prepare. Okay, so you're wearing it, you're at your game, this is great, or you're sharing with your friends. Ready? Yay, go team, go team. It's built-in pom-poms, get it? Built-in pom-poms. Yay, in your team colors. I know there's some green and yellow guys out there, there's some, there's some orange and turquoise. Whatever your team colors are, you have built-in pom-poms. What? I know, right? But that being said, even if you're not a team person, you can still just make it for yourself because it's great for shopping and going around. It is cozy, but then if it gets too hot, you can also just like throw it over one shoulder, like a cute little wrap, and just get home. How cool is that, right? Okay, so written pattern tutorial coming out tomorrow if the stars align. It might be Monday, but I'm gonna say it's tomorrow. I'm so excited about it. So that is my finished object. And by finished object, I mean, I still have all the trimmings on my floor right over there. So that's cute, right? I'm loving it. Now, before I share my whips and news of the week, all that Cal stuff going on, I want to take a quick sec and thank all of our new members. Now, these are the awesome people with a cute little pink yarn ball beside their name in the comments underneath my videos and in the live chats. And I want to thank Rita, Maria, Jan, Donna, Judith, San Diego Fiber Arts, Giolanda, Denise, Kat, Linda, just a crochet sister, love you, Martha, Anne, Lanny, Susanna, Sarah, Debbie, and Lucy's Crochet Spot. So thank you all so much for helping me make more videos. So what I have been working on, my whips, my works in progress. Last week I decided I'm going to put this cute little edge onto my squares. So that's going to be the finishing of the squares for the crochet along. So I went back, I changed the sunflower to match. Gorgeous, right? And I changed lots of the pink ones back. I'm going to make 4 of each of these flowers that we do. This one hasn't got its last row. That hasn't got its last row. This one I still kept in the butter yellow just in case I'm thinking about it again. I can look at this and make another decision if I like it or I don't like it. And what I'm really working on is this. So I went back, I frogged it all, I put 1 more row just of regular stitches. I could have put leaves on here if I wanted a couple leaves. That would have been cute actually. Maybe in green for that last row with a couple leaves sticking out so you get more leaves in the larger flowers. That might be what I'm gonna do. But for now I was just going to make it the same size as the rest of them. No stitch marker. And that's what I'm actually physically working on. Although, no. I worked on that a couple days ago. I'm physically just finished that like 10 minutes ago. So I'm gonna take like a 20-minute break before I start crocheting again. And now for news of the week, it is crochet season. September is here. I love it. September all the way through May, I crochet, crochet, crochet. And then from May until September, I hang out with the kids. So now I'm full on officially started crochet season and I'm so excited about it. So I've been thinking about the Cal, working on the Cal, planning out the Cal. If you don't know what Cal is, it is crochet along. So it is something that we do together as a community. If you're interested, you don't have to, but it's really fun. And we do something every month, like we work on it every month. So there's a new part of it released every month for until it's finished. So for 12 months, we are going to be doing, is it going to be 12 months? Well, I don't know. We're going to see, aren't we? So every month there is a new part of the crochet along release that we get to work on. And the great thing about it is coming up with a name. Hard, well, actually it's kind of a hard thing to do because you have to have a name that's not taken. I was thinking Secret Garden because hello, Secret Yarnery, and it's a garden on a blanket, Secret Garden. That is so taken, it's ridiculous. And even, so what we're going with is Bloomscape Cal. What? Yeah, Bloomscape. Someone suggested Flowerscape, and I'm like, that is like really good because I have a Yarnscape and it could be a Flowerscape. It totally goes together. But then we kind of soften it up with Bloomscape. Huh? I love it. I'm so excited. So that is going to be starting in September with a new installment every month until our blanket is complete. Other new news, we have new emojis. New emojis. So these are available for all members. I need gunfire sounds, right? Right? All of these are for new members. I'm loving them. I'm loving them so much. I already had them like in my clip art. I'm like, why are those not emojis? Those so should be emojis. So those are available for members in live chats. And of course, under any video where you comment, you can use any of those just to get some more attention or make sure I see your comment. So if you want to win a free pattern, all you have to do is be a subscriber to the channel and answer question of the day. And then I'll come back and pick a random comment who answered the question and the person is a subscriber. So today's question of the week, are you excited for Bloomscape 2023? I am. And if you've done a Cal before, what was your favorite part of that Cal? What was your favorite part of the crochet along? So let me know that in the comments down below and I hope you win. So we'll see you in that video and stay hooked. It's that one. It's that one right there. It better be. I'm gonna be moving that box around like crazy.